A long night. What a disaster that was. Tactically, it was a joke. Yeah, what a load of crap. I can't be asked to talk about it. Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. And it's lovely blue skies. Hopefully this is it. Summer's back on. Hope so anyway, because weekend was proper pump. Anyway, what are we talking about today? I think we need to talk about Game of Thrones and the way that that has absolutely imploded with this last season. So I take it a few of you do watch Game of Thrones. Anyway, we've had 7 seasons building up for this, for the ultimate. And what have they gone and done? They've properly gone and dropped the ball. They have, yeah, the two guys, was it Dan and whatever it is, I think we're calling them Dumb and Dumber now. Oh my god, they obviously got the money paid by HBO, that got paid millions, and they've probably obviously just gone, yeah, thanks for that, and chinned off everything. Yeah, absolute carnage. We're up to episode 5 of season 8, and that was a load of pump as well. A long night. What a disaster that was. Tactically, it was a joke. Yeah, what a load of crap. I can't be asked to talk about it. In fact, I'm not going to talk about it anymore. Ah, dear. I've run out of things to vlog about. I've got my chain lube and everything, and chain cleaner. That's needs picking up. But you know what? I can't be asked for going to pick that up either. Because I'm waiting for something else to say that needs picking up as well. So I've had the message from Hermes saying it's ready for pickup, and I think it's my leather trousers. However, I haven't had the little email from Argos and eBay saying, yeah, ready for pickup. So I ain't going to go over there now and then only to just turn around back tonight and then have to go back down and pick it up again. Oh dear. I'm hanging out. Went for a runner today. Long run, a first run that I haven't done in a long time. You know, when you're running and you just get all the little flabby bits and whatever jigging around, well, that's what it felt like. Oh my god. Absolutely hanging out. Yeah, I was going to moan about fucking Game of Thrones, but I just, you know what, I can't be arsed. What with the disaster that was Star Wars, Jesus, with Disney ballsing that one up, and now this. It seems like everyone's just going out to try and destroy everything at the minute. It's like I'm in an ultimate universe where, well, this year has anyway. It's like we've gone from everything was amazing to absolutely ruined. On a lighter note though, some fan has redone the, I think they called it scene 38 from Star Wars 4, the New Hope, the original one. So the bit when Obi-Wan's fighting Darth Vader on the Death Star. Anyway, this guy's redone that. It's about a 7-minute clip and it is amazing. The fight scenes in it are quality. Yeah, whoever the guy is who's done that, he needs yeah, take your hat off to him, tip your hat, he's amazing. The music in it, everything. And that's just some fan guy. That's it. Well, I say just some fan. That's some guy who loves Star Wars has come up with that. And yeah, amazing. If you're gonna, yeah, go see that. If you haven't seen it, go see it. Jim Diesel says, go see it. Yeah, because it is. Yeah, it's amazing. It's up there with. If you've seen. Oh god, what was that? The Star Wars one. The. I want to keep saying Rebel One, not Rebel One. Oh my god. Rogue One. Jesus. Rogue One. This is what happens when you go running. It destroys brain cells, and then you end up like a monk for the rest of the day. Rogue One. Yeah. The end of that, when Darth Vader rocks up and he's he's slashing his way through all those rebels, smashing them up. Bad. That is what this guy's done, and it is amazing. The fight scene. It's just like little bits in it that just look the absolute tits. Yeah, well worth a look. Go see it. Having a bit of a swapsies around here. Well people, I'm going to end this one here. If you like the videos, hit that thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, smash that subscription. If you want to get notifications every time I upload a video, then hit that notification bell. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out. Dear, I've run out of things to vlog about.